Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an intro on your phone, and I'm going to show you a cool app which you can download from Google Play Store, and you can create an awesome intro for your YouTube videos. Without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm just gonna open up my app. As you can see right here, IntroMaker. You can easily download from Play Store. So I'm just gonna fire up IntroMaker. Some of them are paid, you have to pay for it, and some of them are like free version. Plenty of like free ones you can use for tutorial purpose. I'm just gonna use this one right here. So I'm just gonna click down arrow to download that. Right, if you play, this is how it looks like. And now I'm going to add it. Choose different style. So for tutorial purpose, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Okay. Now let's play. So I'm not happy how it looks like, so I'm just gonna add it a bit. I like this one better. I'm just gonna click on check mark. See how it looks like. Nice. Now I'm gonna add the music. I like this one better. This one sounds pretty good to me, so I'm just gonna download that. So I started. I'm just gonna do fade in, fade out, and let's play. Let's see how it turned out. So if you're fully satisfied, so you're just gonna click on that check mark right here. is gonna it's showing like exporting video. Just gonna cancel this just to add. So this is how it looks like. This is the output. Looks pretty good to me. So this is how you can create YouTube intro for using your phone. And my next video, I'll show you how to do it on your desktop and laptop. And I found a cool program. This is a very fantastic program, and you can use it on your desktop. Maybe you can use it on your phone too, but I never tried that. As soon as I do, then I'll let you guys and make a video tutorial out of it. And I hope this video was helpful and informative. Please let me know in the comment down below, how did that app help you to create the YouTube intro. Until next time, thanks for watching.